let's go to page 18 and start with number 3. Okay, so you have two similar triangles. And you have A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, and give you that A equal to 5, B equal to 15, A prime equal to 7, and B prime equal to question mark. Okay, so you can just write down your ratio. So it's easy if you write whatever you're looking for, you write it first. Okay, so you're gonna have the B prime over A prime equal to B over A. Okay, so you can write the ratio anyway as long as you match things up. So you're gonna have the B prime over 7 equal to 15 over 5, and then you multiply both sides by 7. So this will cancel out, and this cancel out with so it'd be 1 and 3. So B prime equal to 21. Okay, so again, it's very quick. You don't even need a calculator for this. Okay, so number 5. Okay, you do the same thing. Okay, so A, B, C. So A prime, B prime, C prime. Right? So write down what's given. So C equal to question mark. So that's looking for. Okay, and A equal to 12. C prime equal to 18, and A prime equal to 2.4. So you can looking for this, so that's going to do C over A equal to C prime over A prime. Okay, as long as you match it up, you'll be fine. So substitute, so C over 12 equal to C prime equal to 18 over A prime is 2.4. Okay, then to solve for C, you multiply by the 12, so this will cancel out. Okay, so now you can work it out, and again, you can use your calculator if you want to. Okay, so that's fine. So you're going to get 18 times 12 divided by 2.4 equal to 90. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 7. Okay, so again, same thing. You got A, B, C. So A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, and so B equal to 52,000, C equal to 18,000, B prime equal to 8.5, and C prime equal to question mark. Okay, so we're going to do, so whatever you're looking for over what is given. Okay, so again, you have to use what you're looking for and what is given. And so you got C over B, so you're going to get C over B, right? So you can just match it up. Then you substitute, so C prime over 8.5 equal to 18,000 over 52,000. Again, to solve for C prime, you just multiply by 8.5 on both sides, so that this will cancel out. Okay, and get your calculator when work it out. So you don't even have to enter all these numbers because this will cancel out. So all you have to do is just go and do 18 times 8.5 divided by 52. Okay, so C prime will equal to, let's see, does it give you, doesn't say. Okay, so we just follow that, just follow one decimal place. So it would be 2.9. Okay. If I had 2.94, that's fine. Okay. Number 9. Oh, skip number 9. We don't need to do number 9. Okay, let's go to 11. Okay, so this one is the same way. Okay, so but it's a right triangle. So it's 25 degrees. This is 1.1, 0.47, 1.0, and you have another bigger triangle. So you can literally they are similar triangle, right? Okay, so you got A, B, C. Okay, so for number 11, B equal to 51 inch, and you're looking for A and a C. Okay, so you can just use a similar triangle. So you're going to have the C over B. So C over B is going to be equal to this over D. So it'll be 1.1 over 1.0. Okay, and B, I'm just going to put in the number already. Okay, I'm just going to put in. So this over this would be C over 51 equal to this over this. Right? I can just match things up carefully. So multiply by 51 on both sides. So this will cancel out. So C equal to. Okay, so I get 1.1 times 51 divided by 1. So I get 56.1. And again, let's follow the instruction. 2 significant digits. Okay, 2 significant digits would be just 56. And the label would be inch. Okay, so you can just run out to 2 digits. Okay. And once we find C, then we can find A. So same thing. So you're going to use this over this. So it'd be A over 51, right? A over B equal to this over this. So it'd be 0.47 over 1.0. Multiplied by 51 on both sides. So you can so the key thing is to just match things up. Okay, matching this over this equal to this over this. Okay. Okay, so this will cancel with this, so you can figure out the A. Okay, so 0.47 times 51, okay, and divide by 1 would be just that, right? So it will be 24 inch, right? I can run off to 2 digits. Okay. Okay, number 13. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, so you got 2 triangles. Okay, so you got 1.1, 1.0, 0.47. And you have another triangle here. And you got the A, B, and C. Okay, so A equal to 23.4 meters. And you're looking for B and a C. Okay. So let's go and do the B first. So I'm going to do this over this. So B over 23.4. So this over this will equal to this over this. So it will be equal to 1.0 over 0.47. Okay? So you can just this over this. So whatever you're looking for over what's given. Right? So this over this equal to this over this. Just match it up. Okay, so multiply by 23.4 on both sides. So this will cancel out. So B will equal to, okay, so it would be 23.4 divided by 0.47. And again, 2 decimal places, 2 significant digits, so it would be 50, and the label would be meters. Okay, now to look for C, again, I'm going to use this over this, so it would be C over 23.4 equal to, so this over this will equal to this over this, so it would be 1.1 over 0.47. Okay, so multiply by 23.4. So that this will cancel out. So C will equal to 23.4 times 1.1 divided by 0.47 equal. And run it off to 2 significant digits would be 55 meters. Okay. Okay, next one, 15. Okay, so again, same thing, you got 2 triangles. Okay, so B is equal to, go and put in the numbers, so 1.1, 1.0, 0.47. Okay, so B equal to 2.489 times 10 to the 9. And you're looking for A and the C. Okay, so I'm going to do A first. So I'm going to do this over this. So it'll be A over 2.489 times 10 to the 9. So this over this will equal to this over this will be equal to 0.47 over 1.0. Okay, so I can multiply to get rid of the denominator, so multiply by 2.489 times 10 to the 9, multiplied by 2.489 times 10 to the 9. So this is a scientific notation, so you need to know how to use that. Okay, so depends on the calculator. So for this kind of calculator, I need to use the EE button. So I go 2.489 EE 9. Okay, so that's how you enter it. Okay, then I'm going to times it by 0.47 and divide by 1 just doesn't do anything. So just push equal. Okay, and okay, so this one does not have a scientific notation. Okay, I'm just doing it manually then. Okay, so it'd be 11698 3 and you got 4 zeros. So that's what you get, right? Now the answer says 2 significant digits. Okay, so that means we only get these two of it. So A will equal to 1.2 times 10 to the. So you have to know how to do this manual. So from here, right, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the 9. And the label would be yards. Okay. Okay. So that's not too bad. Okay, so let's go to B. Let's do the B. Okay. So again, to do C, you just use this over this. So C over 2.489 times 10 to the 9. So again, this over this equal to this over this. So it would be equal to 1.1 over 1.0. So again, you can multiply by common denominator. So C equal to 1.1 over 1.0 times 2.489 times 10 to the 9. Okay? Okay, so again, 2.489 EE 9 and okay, I just want the scientific notation button over here. Okay, so times it by 1.1 equal, and I'm just going to go second 5. There we go. So C equal to 2.7 times 10 to the 9 yards. Okay. So again, so this one has a scientific notation button over here. Okay. So you can just use that to convert, or you can do it You can do it manually. Either way, whatever is easiest for you. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 17. Okay, so you get the 1.1, 1.0, 0.47, and you have another bigger triangle. And so you got A, B, C. Okay, so C equal to 8.39 times 10 to the negative 5 millimeters. Okay, so you're looking for A and a B. Okay, so let's go and do the A first. So I'm going to do A over this. Okay, 8.39 times 10 to the negative 5. So this over this will equal to this over this, right? Equal to 0.47 over 1.1. So again, I'm just move this over. So A equal to, so basically multiply by the common denominator. Okay. Okay. So now let's go and do that. So I'm going to enter this first before I enter this. So I'm going to go 8.39 EE to the negative 5. Okay, so that's my scientific notation. Times it by 0.47 divided by 1.1 equal. Okay, so I get, so A equal to 3.6 times 10 to the negative 5 millimeters. Okay, so it's kind of nice that the answer come out scientific notation already. Okay, and then next one I'm going to, so that takes care of the A. To B, you do the same thing. So B over 3 point, so this over this, right? So b over 8.39 times 10 to the negative 5. So this over this will equal to this over this. So it will be equal to 1.0 over 1.1. So you can multiply by common denominator to get it over. So b equal to 1.0 over 1.1 times 8.39 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay. So 8.39 EE negative 5 times 1 doesn't do anything, so divide by 1.1 equal. So b equal to 7.6 times 10 to the negative 5 millimeters. Okay, so that takes care of number 17. Okay, number 19. Okay, so you have this triangle over here. Okay, and this is big B, big A, big C. So you got A, B, C. Okay, so it says suppose in the figure that angle A equal to 70 degrees. So angle A is 70 degrees. And angle C is 90 degrees, so that's fine. And A equal to 101 feet. If a scale drawing is made, okay, so you get a smaller drawing that's made, okay, by choosing A prime to be equal to 2.00 inch and C prime then is measured to be 2.13 inch. Okay, estimate C in the original picture. So you're looking for C. So I'm going to just use because it's scale drawing, so that means they are similar triangles. So just the same thing. I'm going to use this over this. Oh, okay, I can use this over this. So C over A. So this over this equal to this over this. Okay, and then multiply by 101. So this will cancel out. So C will equal to, and right now it's scientific notation mode. I'm going to go ahead and get it back to the regular mode. Okay, so 2.13 times it by 101 divided by 2 equal, okay, so C will equal about 107.5. Does it say anything? No, it doesn't say. So you can just run up to 108. 108 is fine. Okay, and feet. Again, if it doesn't tell you how many decimal, you just follow what it's giving. So this one have to up down to units, so you're just going to follow that. Okay. Okay, number 21. Okay, so read the poem. So this is the tennis court. So what you do is draw three-dimensional. Okay, so here's the net. So the person's height is 9 feet, and the net is 3 feet. And so you're looking for how far. Okay, so you want to figure out how far from the base of the net where this travels. So this would be the x over here. Okay, so this is half of the court, so this would be 39 feet. Right? I can just from the picture. So we're going to separate this into two triangles. So the one triangle would be 9, and it would be x plus 39. The smaller triangle would be 3, and it would be x. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to use this over this equal to this over this, right? So 9 over x plus 39 will equal to 3 over x. So this one I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So 9x equal to 3x plus 117. Okay. So now all they do is minus 3x. So you got 6x equal to 117 divided by 6. So x will equal to, looks like it's 19. Okay. So 117 divided by 6 equal to 19.5. Would be 19.5 feet. Okay. And that's it for that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 23. 23 is a tree with a mirror, so you just go and draw this over here. Okay, so these are similar triangles. Okay, and it says, So this is the A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so AC is 24, CD is 21, or 2.1, and DE equal to 5.5, D equal to 5.5. Okay, and you want to estimate the height of the tree. Okay, okay, I'm going to call this X. Okay, I'll call this height. Okay, call this the height of the tree. Okay, so again, I'm going to use a similar triangle. So I'm going to have this over this. So h over 24 equal to this over this. Okay, and then multiply by 24 to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so I got 5.5 times 24 divided by 2.1 equal, and this will equal to 63 feet.